What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Genesis smart key. This smart key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we'll also be using a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the smart key. That's done by pressing this button on the side, and then that'll allow the key to slide out like that. Now, if we look on the bottom of where we just pulled that key out of, we see kind of this slot that the key goes in, and then there's this other little slot right here, this other notch. What we want to do is put our flathead screwdriver in that notch, and then we're going to twist it like this, like we're opening a lock with a key. So put your flathead screwdriver all the way in there, and then twist, and that'll pop the back up just a little bit. And then once you have it popped up far enough, you can just pull it off there with your hands. And then if we look in the back cover, we see our battery right there. You can grab your screwdriver and help you get under the edge of the battery just a little bit to get it out. And then we will grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. So the plus side is down like that. Go ahead and snap the back cover on. And you want to make sure that that back cover is snapped on all the way. Can take a little bit of pressure. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.